Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to display transaction codes technical names. So we're in the SAP Easy Access menu, the main menu, and we have a list of two favorite transactions and SAP menu, like a tree of modules like logistics, accounting, etc. And we cannot see the technical names now. We only have the descriptions for transactions. And this might be problematic sometimes, so if you want to just like write the transaction down, etc. So to make it work, we go to extras, then we go to settings. Now in the settings, this is the last option, the fourth one, we have a display technical name, which was unchecked. So we check it and we press continue. Now we can see the technical name was added to each of the transactions, pretty much everywhere, not only the favorites, but everywhere. You can see right here in the document entry folder. So yeah, that's it. It was easy, right? Please, if you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.